Bonjour. So students, as I told you that I will be explaining l'interrogation once again in the revision video, okay? Because there is so much confusion between these three forms, okay? So in French, there are three forms of interrogation. Number one is intonation, then is est-ce or est-ce, then inversion. So in intonation, what we have done, we just raise an intonation at the end of the sentence, okay? That is just a question mark is at the end of the sentence, okay? Vous parlez français with a question mark, tu es indien question mark, il a 10 ans question mark. It's very simple. Then est-ce or est-ce by adding est-ce or est-ce at the end, at the beginning of the sentence, okay? So tu es indien, so it will be est-ce que tu es indien. Then vous parlez français, it's est-ce que vous parlez français. And when we use est-ce, when the pronoun is starting from a vowel, that is third form or the last form, okay? Il, elle, singular, il, elle, plural. So est-ce qu'il a 10 ans, like that, okay? Then inversio method. In inversio method, changing the place of pronoun and conjugated verb and inserting hyphen in between. First thing, second thing, this form does not apply with je, okay? If in the sentence je, pronounce je is there, then you will use either intonation or est-ce que, don't use inversion. Now in the third person singular form, il, elle form, if the verb does not end with t and d, then t is inserted, okay? There are few examples I have written. So first of all, the normal sentence we are taking vous parlez français, so that we are changing the position parlez hyphen vous français. Then this rule, the third person singular form il, elle wala, second sentence you can see parle tel français. Why? Because parle is not ending at t and d, and the next pronoun is third singular form, that is L, that is also starting from a vowel. So we insert T in between and we put hyphen in both the sides, okay? So partel français. Similarly, achetel une pomme, okay? Here also the verb is ending at E and the next pronoun is starting from a vowel, il, third form. So achetel une pomme. Na regarde-t-il pas a tele? This is a negative version. So if you are using the negative sentence in this method, so we write na before the verb and pa after this il. Okay, so na regarde-t-il pas la tele? Then na parlez-vous pas français? Okay, so na here and then pa after pronoun. Sont-ils indiens? It's okay because this verb is ending at t and the next word is starting from I, so there is no need to put extra t here, okay? But because it's already ending at t, so sont-ils indiens? A-t-il 10 ans? Okay, il a 10 ans को मैंने कर दिया है a-t-il 10 ans, okay? Then n'a-t-il pas 10 ans? This is the negative version. So what you do, an apostrophe s, a-t-il pas 10 ans, okay? Second thing, we have done these les adverb interrogative. So in this, children, if these interrogation adverbs are coming, okay, so before using these three forms, okay, the first thing we have to use these words, okay? For example, habitez-vous, okay? Habitez-vous is which form? It's inversion method because we are writing this verb here first and then the pronoun and putting hyphen in between. So ou, if we are using ou, so ou will come before habit, so this question will start from ou habitez-vous. Similarly, quand viens-tu or quand est-ce que tu viens? See, when do you leave? When do you come? When do you come? So when do you come? So quand viens-tu or quand est-ce que tu viens? Okay. Then comment joue-t-elle? Comment est-ce que elle joue? Okay. Combien de chocolat? So combien de chocolat est-ce que tu achètes? So like this. Pourquoi sort-il? Pourquoi est-ce qu'il sort? So first of all, you will write these sentences, these words, and then you will use the intonation or inversion on est-ce que. Okay, I hope this is clear to you now. So do practice of these questions once again and solve as much as you can. Okay, so that's it for this video, children. Au revoir, à bientôt.